In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your smiling picture into polar face using CapCut. This is a quick and easy way to neutralize a grin and give your photo a calm, composed look using CapCut's built-in AI tools. Whether you're on desktop, web, or mobile, the process is the same and only takes a minute. Start by opening CapCut. If you're on the home screen, create a new project so you're looking at a blank canvas and the timeline. Make sure your workspace is set to the aspect ratio you want. But don't worry, you can adjust framing later. Having a stable internet connection helps because the AI features process in the cloud. Next, add your image. Import the smiling photo you want to edit and place it on the timeline so it's selected. If the picture doesn't fit the frame, you can pinch to zoom or use the fit and fill options to center your face clearly. Good framing and lighting in the original image make the AI results more accurate, so try to keep the face straight and well lit. With the image selected, click on AI Stylize. You'll find this in the editing toolbar or effects panel. AI Stylize tells CapCut to analyze your face and apply smart, realistic adjustments rather than simple filters. If you see a short loading time here, that's normal. Inside AI Stylize, choose the Expressions category. This narrows the options to styles that specifically adjust facial features, things like the eyes, mouth, and overall expression, so you get targeted results instead of a full art transformation. Now, click Poker Face. This style is designed to gently reduce the smile, relax the mouth corners, and soften smile lines while keeping your identity intact. CapCut will process for a moment and then preview the change on your photo. If there's an intensity or strength slider available, use it to fine-tune the effect. Increase it for a more neutral, serious look, or lower it to keep a hint of your original smile. Look closely at the eyes and mouth. Small adjustments often look more natural than maxed-out settings. If the effect doesn't land exactly where you want, make sure your face is centered and not cropped too tightly, and try again. You can also toggle the preview on and off to compare before and after and confirm the expression feels authentic. Once it looks right, that's it. Your smiling picture is now transformed into a clean poker face portrait, ready for whatever you need.